Transforming your space, the art of terrace renovation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nuances of the English language and its practical applications. Today, we're exploring a topic that combines architecture, design, and the joy of home improvement: terrace renovation. Whether you're a language learner, a home improvement enthusiast, or simply curious, this video is crafted to help you understand what terrace renovation involves and why it's a topic worth discussing. A terrace is an outdoor area of a house or apartment, which is often paved and used as a leisure space. It can be on the ground floor with direct access to the garden or at a higher level, with a beautiful view. The word renovation refers to the process of repairing and improving a structure, making it look new again. So, terrace renovation involves upgrading, redesigning, or reconstructing this outdoor space to enhance its functionality, aesthetic appeal, and possibly its value. In this section, we'll cover the definition and types of terraces, what renovation involves and why people undertake such projects, the impact of a well-renovated terrace on property value and lifestyle. Terrace renovation can be a rewarding project, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are the key steps involved in transforming your terrace into a dream outdoor space. 1. Planning and design. Before anything else, you need to envision what you want your terrace to look like. This might involve sketching designs, deciding on a theme, and making a list of necessary changes. 2. Permission and regulations. Depending on where you live, you may need to obtain permits from local authorities before starting your renovation project, especially if structural changes are involved. 3. Choosing materials and decor. Selecting the right materials for flooring, railings, and furniture is crucial. You'll also decide on plants, lighting, and other decor elements to create a welcoming atmosphere. 4. Construction and installation. This phase involves the actual building and installation work, which might include laying new flooring, painting, and adding fixtures. 5. Finishing touches. Finally, adding personal touches through decorations, furniture, and lighting will make the space truly yours. To ensure your terrace renovation goes smoothly, consider the following tips. Set a budget. Knowing how much you're willing to spend will guide your decisions and help avoid overspending. Hire professionals. For complex projects, hiring experienced professionals can save time and ensure quality results. Choose durable materials. Select materials that can withstand the weather conditions in your area to ensure your renovated terrace lasts for years. Think about maintenance. Opt for designs and materials that require minimal maintenance for a hassle-free space. We hope this video has illuminated the exciting world of terrace renovation and inspired you to think about how you might transform your own outdoor spaces. Remember, a successful renovation not only enhances the beauty and utility of your terrace but also has the potential to increase the value and appeal of your entire home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy renovating, and see you in the next video.